Late. I dug through the garage a bit because I wanted to. What's up? Are you live streaming?
Not streaming.
It's a pretty photogenic vehicle.
Quick make and model year.
1990 Mitsubishi Montero LS. What do they call it? Long wheelbase. So it's the 4-door.
Nice, nice.
Known as the Pajero or wanker in Spanish in the majority of markets around the world.
Whoa. How's it drive? You and
Jesus Christ.
you in 4x4?
No, I'm in 2-wheel drive. Drives good. I'll probably lock up the hubs for the ride home because the roads are starting to get a little squirrely. But
Yeah. You said you can. They're right on the outside here.
yeah, so you got your fancy thing. So you click the hubs to 4-wheel drive and then you shift it on the column to get it, or not in the column, but the center console. Do it. So. Yeah, I lost my freaking LS badges. One of them fell off, and then the other one I have. But somebody had it on eBay, $50 for freaking one of them.
Cool.
And then I got up this morning, and one of my windows was just like phantom down 4 inches. I was like, oh great. I guess the thing's going.
Let's go get some tacos.
Sounds good. I brought you.
Yeah.
Did you get this Line X before or after you bought it?
I included it as part of the purchase.
Okay.
So that was my negotiate.
It's
So
factory done.
I bought it, had it for a week, and then gave it back to them for 2 days.
Yep. What does that keep hammering?
I'll tell you as we walk. Cameron Haynes.
Look, if you're gonna start videotaping me all the time, I'm gonna break that thing.
People will they'll be like, look at this guy. This guy's like, wow, this guy must be famous.
Yeah. He's got a magnanimous beard,
Yeah.
that's for sure.